Children, now fifth chapter, class 5 maths, multiples and factors. Okay, now we'll try to understand and learn and do some problems. Okay, about multiples and factors. What are multiples and what are factors? Do you know what is a multiplication? Anyone? Multiplication. Have you done multiplication in your earlier classes? Yes, we have done lot of multiplication problems in 3, 4, 5 classes. Even in 5 also we have done. Now this multiplication is very important uh, to understand these multiples and also division, right? Now see here. Now this is Bindu and this is Ramu. So both are playing a mathematics game where Ramu should ask some number and Bindu should say without any hesitation, without any time taking, without long division, just she should say that whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So they are playing the game. In that game, if a Ramu given a number and Bindu should tell that whether it is divisible by 2 or 5 or 10 or all the 3 or all the 2, anything. So which of the numbers, a given numbers are divisible by 2, 5 or 10 or with all or with any of 2. Okay, now first number is 2438 is given. What is the number is given? 2438. So then Bindu said yes, it is divisible by 2. Then he gave 2535, same, this is divisible by 5. She said it is not divisible by 2 and 10. Here also in the above case 2438 is divisible by 2 but not 5 and 10. Here 2535 divisible by 5 but not 2 and 10. Similarly, whatever 346 is given, this is divisible by 2, 5 and also 10. All the 3, 2, 5, 10 divides this 3460. Anyway, what is division? Division means that number should be divisible by this number exactly without leaving any remainder. The remainder must be 0. Okay, so that will be the case. Divisor, dividend and the coefficient. So the remainder must be 0. So therefore 2 divides 3460. Similarly 5 divides 3460 and 10 divides. You can cross check also by doing this. Okay, shall we do this thing? Okay, now look here. 3460. Let us check with 2. 2 ones are 2, right? 1. 4 carry. 2 sevens how much? 14. Then carry how much? 6. How much it is? 6. 0 is there. Just put this 0 here directly. Here you can put, or you can bring downside also. We can do it the same thing. Here it is 0. This 0 you bring downside. This is 0. This 0 comes here and again 0. That way we can write. Okay. So therefore 1730 is exactly divisible by 3460. Now let us see, is it divisible by 3460? Is it divisible by 5? Okay. Now how much? 5 6 are 30. 4 will come, 6 carry. 5 9s how much? 45. 1 remains. Take 0. This 0 here. So 10. 5 2s how much? 10. Okay, remainder is 0. So therefore 3460 is divisible by 5. And here also 2. Now 3460 divisible by 10. Let us check. 10 3s are 34. 6 down. So 10 4s are 40. How much? 60. 10 6s are 60. Right? 6. Therefore it is 0. Therefore it is also divisible. Therefore what we can imply that 3460 is divisible by 2 and 5 and 10. So 3460 is divisible by 2 4 and 10, right? Now that way is done. Now here downside is given some numbers, you can just see 2410 1238, these numbers are given. Observe these numbers. Okay, so how could Bindu tell without doing actual? So even how she could able to tell that it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 10, like that. Divide the numbers with 2 to find out which of the following numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Observe the numbers which are not divisible. So you can observe these 2, 4, 10, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 8, 2, 3, 4, 7, by dividing with 2 and see that what pattern we are going to get here. Okay, now here the rule is, I'll just tell you, suppose you can observe all after all dividing, if this is any big number or any small number, here the units digit must be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, or you can say that the number must be even number. So the unit digit must be a even number, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or you can say the number is even number is always divisible by 2 exactly. Okay, that is the rule. Now you can take any number here. Now you can check here, you can write any your choices, 9, 8, 7, 4. Okay, now you remove this 0. Now 98740, you divide with 2, it is exactly divisible. Now remove 0 here and put 2 here. That means the number will become how much? The number will become 98742. This is divisible by 2. And again you remove this with 2 and put 4, then the number will become how much? 98744. It is also divisible by 4. Similarly this also, you can just check 98746 also. Similarly this also. Okay, these all are divisible by 2. You can just check also. Okay, any one number shall I do? Last number will check here. See, 98748. You can just check with 2. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 1, 8 carries, 2 9s are 18, 7, 2 3s are 6, 4, oh sorry, 4, sorry, here it is 1, I'm sorry. Here 1 remains and 4 carry forward, 4 7s are, okay. Seven, okay. Then get down 8. How many times? 2 4s are 8, right? So it is 0. So like this, any number you can try, you can just see that. So that is a divisibility of this thing. And divisibility 2 or no, now divisibility 5. Divisibility 5 rule is, any number here must be either 0 or 5. 0 or 5. You can write any numbers, you can write here 865. 8650 is divisible by 5, and 8655 also divisible by 5. You can just check. Okay, so therefore the last digit, if you want I will show you one. Take this one and we'll divide with 5. 5 1s are 5, 3 remains 36, 5 7 the 35, 1 5 carry down, 5 3 is a 15, again 0, so therefore this 5 downside, 5 1 is a 5, so 0, therefore it is divisible by this is 1. Okay, so 1731 is the your quotient, right? This is dividend and this is divisor, this is remainder, right? So therefore, 5 divides 8655. You can try with 8650 also, it is doable. Therefore the last digit must be always either 0 or 5, then automatically the number will be divisible by 5. Now you can change these digits, any digits you can change. Here you can put 935, 947, 834. So you can just change these numbers, whatever you want you can put, but of course not 0, any number you can put here. Now first digit, all zeros means it will become 0. So the first digit must be any number and remaining all can be any numbers. You can take zeros or any numbers, then automatically this is divisible by 5. Now what about 10? 10 is very simple. Divisibility of 10 is this digit we have taken, the last digit must be 0, that's all. The last digit must be 0. Okay, then automatically the number is divisible by 10. You can write here any number, 6, 7, 8, divisible by 6. Or you can write these numbers, you can change and write another also. This you can write here 0, this one 981 divisible by 2. So the last will be the 0. Okay. Now we know that this is a multiple of 10. Similarly, what we have seen here in the previous case. So this is the multiple. This is a multiple of 5. This is a multiple of 2. So therefore, the number that divisible with the number, they are the multiples of the given number. Okay. Now we have seen this, the rule of 2, 5, 10. Now there are some problems are given here. Do this 2, 4, 6, 9, 7, 3, 5. They circle the numbers which divisible by 2. Very simple. Without doing, we can do that. This is the circle the following numbers which divisible by what? Divisible by 2. They are saying divisible by 2. Just wherever even number, or you can say the last number must be either even number, 0, 6, 4, 2, 8. So here it is 6, it is divisible, this is divisible, this is no, this is yes, 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 and this is, these are divisible numbers. Okay. So divisible to 5, so a number which is divisible by 5 must be last 0 or 5. So now this is what divisibility of 10. It should be a multiple of 10 or is a multiple of 10, or last number must be 0. Here this is also multiple of 5 or last number must be 0 or 5. So now 274 is divisible by 10 or not is asking. So it is not divisible. 3740, yes. This is also yes, this is also yes. Okay. So this is what we have to do. Now exercise 1 we'll do in the next class. We'll stop here.